Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Hi, my name's Samuel Brown. I got 4 U15s on a SFB 8K on a 72 amp hour limitless Listen 18 volt cells. Wired at 1 ohm in a 6th order. Built Rob Moat.
Okay.
I got a JS 320 alt.
Nice. And you said this is a 6th order, so do you know your tunings on it?
The bottom is 25 or 20, and the top is 55.
Okay.
So it's got a pretty good pass.
Good bandwidth. Yes, sir. Very nice. Looks good. Nice wood roof too.
Yeah. And then I got I got 4 PRV 6.5s. I got 2 5.25s in each door, and I have an 8 in each door.
Alright. Can I see the amp in the back? Yep. Awesome. Very nice. Good size fan right there.
Yeah.
That works, man. And you can take it away when you want.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Only made it up 53.7.
Huh?
Like 36 hertz.
How many feet got? It's a windy 53.
Yeah.
I'm ahead of time, I'm going all out. If it's about mine, I'm getting my shine. I've been on my grind, feel like I'm different, I'm one of a kind. Pray up and back, keep her up. Baby, you look better, you should take it off. Had up in my room, now I'm taking shots. They got a full roll, Brody take the stick shit. All these niggas, my crit. Make them yak, ain't going tit. Put a tag on you. The big and when look on the big dog over the and he ain't quick. I had to tell when it crease. World for the one. Me to watch. One really cost $250,000. I got more than one. You know me like that in the bitch feel like a water dog. I got 6 watch. I'm ahead of time. I'm going all out.
I don't know if you remember mine, but you did my Ford my red Dodge Ram.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I upgraded since
Yeah.
then.
Yes, sir, man. Very
Appreciate
nice. When you open the window and then you put it up, you can see how your vehicle, the way the system slopes off, you play way lower with this up.
Yeah.
So yeah, it sounded good, man.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I can actually play some 18 hertz for you.
Let's do it. All right, yeah, man.
18
Don't
to
blow nothing, though.
26. No, no. You know
Play-
what? I'm gonna play 2023.
Okay, sounds good. All right.
I'm ahead of time. I'm going out. If it's about time, I'm getting my shine. I've been on my grind. Feel like I'm different. I'm one of a kind. Pray over here, baby. Keep all the bar. Baby, you know better. You should take it off. Had to bring my room. Now I'm every car, you still be the legend star. Can't be running one flop. On the track, on the but on the top. And then entertaining club, they will be on the shop. Can't this is me. Probably bro. Oh, off a piece of my push me. Push it in my hand. You know I'm ready. I can't do the dance, please. I need a camera. I'm going hard, last day, get it out. I got the swap, I'm ahead of time, I'm gon' win now. If it's about time, I'm getting my shine. I've been on my grind, feel like I'm different, I'm one of a kind. Pray over and back, keep all the bar. Baby, you look better, you should take it off. Had to be my room, now I'm taking charge. They got a full roll, Brody take the all these niggas in my crib. Make them yeah, ain't going tit. Put a on you. The big and we don't look on the big dogs moving in the hand quick. I had to when it world all the one. Need to watch. $250,000, I got more than one. You know me like this, and the bitch feel like a water gun. I got 6 watch.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.